Alright, so now we are going to be talking about how to put your answer on a number line. Okay, so whenever you have an equation like this right here, x equals 3, a number line is easy. Okay, you just find a place on there that is equal to 3. Let me get this guy up there. Okay, and you put a dot on it. I'm going to drag and drop this little dot right there. There. That means that x equals 3. So that's pretty easy. Number lines are, inequalities are a little bit different because they don't equal just one value. Okay, so I'm going to start with this one right here. X is, what does this mean? That symbol, that means greater than or equal to 3. Okay, so that means that there's more than one answer or solution. It could be 3 because it says or equal to 3, but it can also be anything greater than 3. So it could be 4. It could be 10. It could be 261. Okay, anything that's greater than 3 or equal to 3. So how do we graph that? Okay, well, we need to, since it's equal to 3, we need to have a dot that's closed in just like this one. But we also need an arrow that shows all the other solutions. So I'm going to pick this one right here. This shows a dot that is closed in. That represents that it can be 3. But this arrow means it can be anything this way too. It can be 4, it can be 5, it can be 6, it can be 10, it can be 261, anything that side of the dot. Okay, so that's how you graph it. Notice I have all these different types over here. We're going to go through each type. The next one is right here. X is, what does that sign mean? Less than or equal to 3. Okay, it's possible solutions. Well, since it is or equal to 3, then it can definitely be 3, but it could also be 2. It could be 0. It could be negative 3. Any of the negative numbers. It could be negative 115. Okay, because it is less than. Now, since it is or equal to, that means that it includes 3. That means that the dot needs to be closed in, just like it was whenever x equaled 3. So I'm going to grab this guy right here. And he's going to be on top of the 3, closed in, and the arrow covers everything else that it could be. It could equal 2, it could equal 0, negative 3, negative 115. Any of those numbers that are less than or equal to 3. All right. Let's look at the other ones on the next page.